The pool is over there.
Hello everyone, I have just flown from Jakarta and now in Bali. So again, it's my business trip. So I am now at the Sudamala Resort. I'm staying at a deluxe garden room, which is a very authentic Balinese architecture and decor hotel. Very interesting in the Sanur area. Actually, I haven't been back to Sanur for quite some time, and it's more vibrant right now. And this hotel is about 5 minutes walk to the beach. And I'm going to stay there for a night, and I'm going to have some meetings in this area tomorrow before I head to Ubud. So let me give you a quick room tour first. This is a deluxe garden view room. So actually when I walk in, that's the work bench, wooden work desk. And then this is the king size bed. And they have put in welcome home and the usual towel work and some welcome amenities. Actually it's 8 o'clock at night, so I just checked in, it's a little bit dark. So I'm going to show you more tomorrow morning. And I actually haven't even read the welcome letter. But anyway, this is the living sitting area. And again, they provided the welcome tropical fruit. And what I'm holding on hand is actually a welcome card from the team that was put here. So that was nice. And then just a sneak peek out, it's the garden. Again, it's a little bit dark tonight, so I'm going to show you more tomorrow of the outside, the deluxe garden view. Okay, so the television is here. Let me see what's inside. Okay, so the kettle is here. And the mini fridge with some drinks is inside. Okay, and I think you do have to pay, yep. So they have the price for the few drinks that they have. Okay. And now, walking in, there is the safe deposit box. This is where the hair dryer is. And of course, actually that is not an insect repellent, it's for cockroaches. Okay. And then the laundry bags, and then some additional cushion. And then this is where I can put in my luggage, and they do have the bathrobe here. Okay. And then when I open this, it's actually the bathroom, which is the open bath because, this is the open area that is connected with outside, okay? And then this is the rain shower. This is the amenities. And then they have additional water, single sink, and amenity. And kind of a corner for the toilet bin. Okay, so let me close the door. Okay, so that's pretty much a quick room tour. As I say, I'm going to show you more tomorrow morning of the garden, the balcony that I have outside. I'm going out for dinner tonight. I'm going to breakfast tomorrow morning. and then also a lunch at the restaurant. So I will probably show you more about this hotel in Sanur. A boutique hotel, which have some rustic luxury element, and which is pretty interesting to stay and quite nice, in all the exterior grounds and everything. So I'm going to show you everything from my stay here for one night. So follow me. Okay. Hi, good morning, everyone. So, this is the kind of the garden terrace that I have that will be connecting directly to the courtyard. So, this is my room. It's a little bit messy, sorry. Okay, so I'm heading out for breakfast now. Good morning here in Bali.